Don't go nowhere, ma'am. Stop. Stop.
Hey! 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 Hey!
Ma'am, you need to listen, okay?
Hey! I'm dead.
You're not dead. You're
I'm
breathing,
dead.
you're talking.
I can't breathe. Hey! Look.
You're yelling. Listen.
Look at him. I can't breathe.
You can breathe just fine.
No, I can't breathe.
You're breathing.
I'm trying to tell you guys something.
Okay.
You're about to witness one of the greatest body slams in police history. This officer, without a doubt, in my mind, of course I'm surmising, but this officer has a case of black fatigue. There is no way this officer does not have black fatigue. He has a serious case of black fatigue, and he may not ever get over it. Oh, let's take a quick look, man. Lady was shoplifting, and the officer, he just said not today. He said F around and find out.
Stop.
On May 17th, police in Milbourne confronted a shoplifter near a bus stop after she was caught on camera stealing thousands in designer bags from a Gucci store.
Don't go nowhere, ma'am. Stop. Stop. Why would you run? What are they trying to do?
Ma'am, you're under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford one, won't be provided for you. Understand? Ma'am?
Mister, you okay? Do you need to see an ambulance or anything? Hello? Miss, you need to see an ambulance or anything?
Did she leave anything else on that bench?
No. Okay.
No other bags or anything?
No, that's all.
See, that's wrong. Wasn't green there.
It's going to be all this stuff.
405 radio check.
This is the individual?
Yeah.
Can you send someone to Gucci, find out what they want to do, what kind of bag she took?
Gucci.
Gucci. Yep.
I must have knocked it off the channel. You want to sit up?
What's your first name, ma'am?
Sit up and stay here. Don't move.
I'm about to sit down.
All right, stay like that.
Sitting down.
Yes, I'm about to sit down.
Yes, you're sitting down.
What's going on, man?
Stay like that.
But I just need the
Why are you
bathroom.
running?
I'm not running.
You ran from. What are you talking about? You
I
ran?
need to tell you something.
I need to tell you you're being recorded, so what do you need to tell me? What do you need to tell me, ma'am?
Wait. I need to
Just
talk
stay
to
sitting.
him. But I want
I'm
to talk to
listening.
him.
I'm talking to him right here. What's up?
Shit, man, it's okay.
What's up?
Listen.
What time the bus come?
We're not worried about the bus. You're no longer getting on the bus.
Yeah, you're not getting on the bus.
When he slammed her into another dimension. She was in the outer realm, man. She was in the multiverse. You see the look on her face, man. She was out of it, man. That takedown was nice, though. I'm not gonna lie. But that takedown, I'm telling you, that takedown looked like that cop was suffering from black fatigue, man. He was over this. That's a F around find out body slam, man. So let's go back.
Wait, I need to
Just
talk
stay
to
sitting.
him. But I want to talk to
listening.
him.
I'm talking to him right here. What's up?
Shit, man, it's okay.
What's up?
Listen.
What time the bus come?
We're not worried about the bus. You're no longer getting on the
Yeah,
bus.
you're not getting on the bus.
Where am I going? I'm not getting on the bus.
You're coming with us to Milbourne Police Headquarters. To Milbourne Police Headquarters. I read you your Miranda rights before. Did you understand them?
But he's my friend.
Who's your friend?
Did you understand the Miranda rights I read you before?
Okay, I get my friend.
Who's your friend?
Man, we're not worried about your friend
My
right now.
friend's right here.
No, stay seated.
Wait, I know.
Stop moving. Are you going to go in the car? Stop
Why
it.
you hunting me?
Man, because you're not listening.
Okay, but why you hunting me?
Okay, but you gotta say.
No, excuse me, guys. Why did I help
We're
you?
trying to talk to you.
Yeah,
Can
but I
you
need
talk
to.
to me?
Yeah, I could talk to you.
Were you in Gucci before?
Why you?
Because you're not listening. You gotta stay seated.
Okay, but I'm coming.
Stay seated.
What is there?
Stay seated.
Yes. Excuse me.
Stay seated.
But I'm trying to get up to
No.
respect him.
No.
I need to respect him.
Ma'am.
No, you're not
But
getting
why
up.
you? But why you?
Because you're not listening. You gotta stay seated
I
down.
want to listen to him instead.
Who's him?
I'm trying to respect him and obey him.
Who?
See what's going on. You gotta
Let me respect him.
stay trying to get up. You're not getting up.
Okay.
What's going on?
But why is he grabbing me? I'm trying to respect you and I can't see from
Okay.
back.
Talk to me. Talk to me.
Yeah, but how can I do this? But why is he holding my clothes?
Ma'am, just talk with me.
I bought this. I'm trying to give you the ticket. One second.
What's it?
One second. I'm trying to. Oh, yeah. Hey! 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 Hey!
Ma'am, you need to listen, okay?
Hey! I'm dead.
You're not dead. You're
I'm
breathing,
dead.
you're talking.
I can't breathe. Hey!
You're
Look.
You're yelling.
Listen to me.
Look at him. I can't breathe.
You can breathe just fine.
No, I can't breathe.
You're
can
breathing.
obviously breathe. You're
I'm trying to tell you guys something.
Okay, but listen,
Look,
you
look at
can't.
this.
You
Look,
can't.
I'm trying to give you guys something.
Take a breath.
continue to try to get up.
I'm trying to give you guys something.
If you continue to try to get up,
I'm trying to talk to him.
You're gonna talk-
Yes.
you wanna
Can I
talk to
respect you?
everybody who comes-
Well, I need to respect him.
What's wrong?
I'm trying to tell you something. I can't talk. But I need to get up and talk because it's like I'm not human.
You want to get up and talk?
Yes.
7, any updates? She already did.
Yeah, they don't want to press charges. I'll be heading over there shortly.
Why is he touching me? He's a bad person.
Because you wouldn't.
I don't know him.
Okay.
Why is he in my bag without you guys concerned?
Under arrest.
Put her in the car.
Yeah. Let's do
Where am
that.
I?
Yes. But why are you holding me? Look. Why is he holding me?
Because you can't get up by yourself.
Okay, but I'm fine. Wait. But
Where you going?
I'm hurting. I'm hurting here. I can't. Hey!
If you're not
I
gonna
can't. I'm hurting.
you're not gonna walk, you're gonna be
I'm
carried.
hurting. Hey! How can you guys do this to me? I'm hurting.
Damn it.
I can't speak. Help me. Help me. I can't walk.
Well, you're grabbing my leg.
I'm not grabbing your leg.
What do you do? Look at this.
To pick you up.
I'm not.
She's grabbing my. You see this, right?
Hey, my hands. Hey! You guys. Yes, I'm hurting. Yes, I can't pick up. Why are they taking me to go? Huh? What about that?
Okay.
Hey!
Getting criminal mischief.
Yep.
What about that?
Charges.
What about that?
Get in there.
I can't go. I can't go in. Okay, but yes. Why is it impossible? Huh? Why is this impossible? Why am I going? Huh? No, it's impossible. Where am I going? Hey, my hands! I can't walk.
Avoid you getting injured.
Okay.
So have a seat and relax.
Okay.
Okay? The more you struggle, the more it's going to be difficult, and you could get hurt. And we don't want that. Okay?
New Jersey, DIA.
It's impossible. I can't get into the back of the car. I can't breathe. She's talking about I can't breathe. I'm hurting. I can't breathe. I'm hurting. Why are you hurting me? What am I? That's not what this lady meant. Oh man, this is hilarious, man. You know, the thing is, man. Okay, so obviously she is a thief. She stole from high-end retail stores. So it makes me wonder. Sometimes I wonder, is the crazy that they're displaying, is that an act? I wonder if it's an act. Sometimes I just think that they are such scammers and con artists, man, that they can just immediately go into this character and just act crazy. I'm surmising. I just wonder sometimes. I am hurting. I can't breathe. You are hurting me. It's impossible.
What's up?
Yeah, our supervisor asked if you want to get anyone from Gucci to come and identify anything.
Well, they just said she didn't take anything, right? Or
Right,
did
they
she
said
take
they
something?
didn't have any knowledge of it. Take it.
Nothing's Gucci here?
I don't know what DP is.
EP? I mean, this is clearly new.
Yeah, I wouldn't take it by that much.
That's what I'm saying. I don't even know who makes this. Alabaster?
Step the squad stage at headquarters. Females being combative with custodian on vehicle.
Nothing else in there?
Back out on the
There's nothing else in there? It's Nordstrom.
All right, you want to take this stuff and then I'll start
We
bringing
got
it down?
two. These I'll take to Nordstrom because these are going to be Nordstrom.
Welcome back. Man.
This is Victoria's Secret.
Good to be back. Express doesn't want to press charges. They want nothing to do with it. If you have the dress, they want
The dress?
Yeah, she took a dress off a mannequin. They got the dress back?
What kind of
No,
dress?
they got the mannequin back, but not the dress. It's like a white.
Yeah, she's wearing a white dress.
Skirt on.
Tell them we have her in custody. Why do they want to press charges?
Who? Gucci?
No, the
Express.
The fucking Express for the fucking man. No, this ain't dude. Don't let her out. We'll get it back at headquarters. Fuck it. Hey, get out!
I was trying to tell you not to open it.
Stop. Stop.
I know.
Daughter matron as well.
Man.
It's that foot, yeah. That's what I was going to put it in my car.
Hi, this is going to be Victoria's Secret. All right, this is Nordstrom. This is Victoria's Secret.
Take all the property.
But that's not the dress. That's not
It's a white dress. Her camo pants are right there that she was wearing. She took them off.
Oh, okay.
100%. 100%. This is stolen from somewhere.
That's the Gucci bag?
Style & Co.
And that's the bra that she's wearing. This is going to go back to the back.
Where's the change?
Where's she old face?
Yeah. I have her idea. I'll start populating. I'll meet you down there.
I'll go to Express and get a statement.
The suspect was charged with retail theft and resisting arrest.
She was charged with retail theft and resisting arrest. You know, I thought it was interesting. So the officers called over to some of these stores that she stole from, and they didn't want anything to do with it. At least the ones that they called. They said, no, they don't want to press charges and they don't want anything to do with it. That's got to be frustrating for a police officer. You know, you go through this stress. I mean, it's a high stress job. And even though, you know, obviously the male cops they were stronger than her, they can overpower her, you still run the risk, man, of does this person have a weapon, something that could hurt me? So did the cops go through all this stress just for what? A bunch of stores that say, you know, no, we're not going to press charges. But man, you gotta take a look at this man right here. This right here is crazy. I'll play this again. This crazy right here. Look at this, man. Look at this takedown. Slow motion. They had to slow motion it. Look at this. Boom. Damn. I don't know if she was out. She might have been out right there. She was in the daze, man. She was in the outer realm there. You need to stop stealing. And this is the message that it sends. If you continue to let these criminals steal with impunity, nothing's going to happen to them. This is just going to increase. I think it has. Exponentially, crime, stealing from high-end stores or stores, period. From what I've seen, and I don't have the numbers, of course, right now, but it looks like you see it more and more. I mean, you see a lot of people even making videos, going in there and stealing. And then you hear people actually giving a tutorial on how to steal and letting you know what you need to do so you don't get in trouble. How do you stop crime? I don't know, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. To me, this is crazy, man. I couldn't be law enforcement, man. I couldn't be an officer, man. You sit in a position that's really, man, you really got to balance. You really have to balance, man, and you have to be political, whatever. I know that they want to put hands on some of these people, man, because the people be pushing their buttons, but you hear the cops repeat themselves over and over and over and over and over. And now I'm not sure what protocol is, but I'm surmising that they have to say these lawful orders a certain amount of time. I have no idea, but I'm just wondering why do officers tell these people 20 times, 30 times to do something and they don't do it? And from what I understand, you're not complying because, you know, hey, it's compulsory if you're not complying. Why so many times? Why do the officers have to repeat themselves so much? I think that that's their protocol. I don't know. I have officers in the law enforcement in the family. I should ask, why do y'all gotta keep giving lawful orders and over and over and over and over? Why not just put your hands on them after the second one? Look, I just told you. Let me tell you this again, little bitch. Tired of you niggas.